La-di-da-di-da. Welcome back to my show. Today I'm going to show you how to do something extraordinary with your leftovers. Do you remember that steak dinner you made the other night? You had steak and carrots and potatoes that were baked. You know, your typical old school Midwest American dinner. Steak, potatoes. Anyway, they've been sitting in the fridge for a few nights and it's time to finish them off or get rid of them. But I don't want to put all that to waste. So I came up with this recipe to make an open-faced sandwich using these leftovers. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your steak and your potatoes and carrots, you throw them in the food processor, grind it up until it is like sand. Okay. And then you're going to come over here, you're going to put it in a bowl, and this is the final product. But you're going to put it in a bowl, you're going to mix it in with some mayonnaise, some Dijon, and I put a little salt and pepper. Now there's so many different types of Dijons and peppers and salts and mayonnaises, veggies, whatever. Use what you want, okay? So I mixed it all up, and that's what I got. Then I came over here and I sliced some onion and I caramelized it. Now how you caramelize, you just put some EVOO on a skillet, set it on the burner, and I put it on like between medium and low. Okay, you don't want it too hot, or else you just burn your onions. Okay, so you throw your onions on there, drizzle some more EVOO on them so that they're coated. Let them sit in the skillet for maybe 30 minutes and you stir occasionally, and then they're done. And then what I did is I had some leftover ciabatta bread in the freezer. So I just had those slices, I stuck them in the toaster oven for 2.5 minutes so that they became nice and crisp. And then I spread my spread on those slices. Then I topped that with the caramelized onions. And then I had this leftover salad mix. Leftover, it's not going to last much longer, so I just took the greens that I wanted, I rinsed them, put them in some cold water to wake them up, dried them off, and then I put that on top. Voila!